I come from a land down under. Hey, check it out. Here's my latest build. It's another dual cab. This one in Victorian Railways from Australia. The picture of this came across my newsfeed on Facebook, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to try to duplicate it. So I printed out my own decals. I used actual photos and cropped them in Windows Paint, and then I printed them out in Print Shop Pro. Also, there's two 19-volt LEDs for headlight and a trailing light. They're from Evan Designs. The trailing light is a red one. And I put some clear plastic in the windshields as well as the cab windows. And there's a Marx power pull motor, cab mounted. It's hard to believe that big weight will fit in there, but it will. You just have to do a little grinding on the inside. Some of the struts, the molding there, you just have to remove so the big weight will fit there. So we're going to take it for a spin. Also joining it will be the red and blue one that I did a few years ago, dual cab. So here we go. I'm going to pick the camera up so you can see the red rear trailing light. Alright, the power pull motor runs really smooth. These were originally built by Clyde Engineering. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I'll mention it now. for EMD. So that's why they have the EMD bullnose look to them, which is what I really like. And I was glad that this came across my news feed. It was a lot of fun to try to make it. So I'll bring around the other one too. Okay, so thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.